Most of you know about lemon water's excellent properties, health benefits, and what it offers to our bodies and minds, especially when we drink it in the morning. However, you can make some crucial mistakes when drinking lemon water in the morning and beyond. The correct consumption of lemon water is important, because with the inappropriate use of lemon, you will not get the results you should get. In some extreme cases, you may even harm your stomach and health. Two of the essential benefits that lemons or lemon water offer us are that it helps to reduce or entirely and naturally remove kidney stones, and it contains high amounts of the vital vitamin C, thus decreasing its deficiency and symptoms. Some of the most common but not severe symptoms of vitamin C deficiency are bleeding gums, severe fatigue, slow wound healing, easy bruising, dry skin, sudden changes in mood, unexplained weight gain, and brittle bones. Lemon water also has an excellent antihistamine effect that reduces or prevents allergies, and it has crucial antifungal properties to treat various fungi, such as candida. In addition, its help in reducing uric acid and increasing iron absorption in the body is crucial. In today's video, you will discover the 5 serious mistakes you make when drinking lemon water, as well as some of its most essential benefits for our body and organism, but also how to avoid these mistakes by correcting the way you use and consume lemons. Number 1. Drink lemon water just before or while eating. One of the most common and serious mistakes that many people make is to drink water with lemon in the morning or at some other time, just before eating. As you may know, although lemon has an acidic taste, when it enters the body it turns into an alkaline food. This action means it changes the pH of the stomach, which needs to be more acidic for proper digestion. So we should drink lemon water at least half an hour before or after eating. In general, we should avoid drinking it immediately after we have eaten even a snack. Drinking water with lemon in the morning or evening is best, especially on an intermittent or any other diet. So that there is no chance of forgetting, make a habit of drinking it just before or after sleeping. Number 2, you don't dilute the lemon with water. The second critical mistake I hear many people make is drinking lemon juice plain or with only a small amount of water. This mistake can create problems not only in the stomach but also in the teeth. Lemons have a pH of about 2 to 3, which is very acidic. In addition, they contain a strong acid called citric acid, which can endanger our teeth by creating damage in direct contact. Drinking lemon water using a straw is the best and most straightforward solution, so that lemon does not come into direct contact with our teeth, protecting their enamel simultaneously. Number 3, ulcers, esophageal reflux, or gastritis. The third mistake some people make is drinking lemon water when they have a stomach ulcer, reflux, or gastritis. You can quickly tell if there is such a health problem, if when you drink lemon water or eat lemons and citrus fruits in general, you feel a burning sensation or general discomfort in the stomach. When you suspect a stomach ulcer, esophageal reflux, or gastritis, you should avoid lemons and lemon water, which can worsen your health and cause stomach pain. Number 4, alkalosis. The fourth mistake you can make is to drink lemon water when there is alkalosis in the blood. Alkalosis occurs when the pH scale in the blood is not balanced with the acids and bases it contains. Alkalosis also occurs when the blood has far more bases than it should and becomes too alkaline. Alkalosis can be related to various diseases and conditions, such as low potassium levels. However, it can be determined if there is alkalosis with a blood or urine analysis. Some of the most severe symptoms, that indicate that the blood may be more alkaline than it should be, are continuous or prolonged muscle contractions, convulsions, hand tremors, nausea, and numbness. When this condition continues in the blood, more severe symptoms appear, such as confusion, rapid pulse, dizziness, difficulty breathing, and coma. Number 5, you don't use the whole lemon plus peel. Lemon peels contain the nutrient-rich parts of the whole lemon. Most people, however, squeeze the lemon and throw away the rest of it. The best and most proper way to drink lemon water is to add the peels when the lemons are organic or homemade. In such a case, wash them very well, cut them into thick or thin slices depending on your preference, and put them in a blender with 17 ounces of water, ½ liter. Another solution that I prefer is put the whole organic lemon in ½ liter of water, leave in water for half an hour or an hour, and take it out of the water. Then squeeze its juice into the water, pour the lemon water into a glass and drink it. It is ideal to drink the juice of 1 lemon with 2 glasses of water, or half a lemon with 1 glass of water. You can also add grated ginger, cucumber slices, or mint, thus maximizing the drink's benefits. Lemon peels contain 5 to 10 times more vitamins and minerals than lemon juice. It thus offers us all the necessary antioxidants, vitamin C and B, and volatile oils. In this way, we strengthen and protect our immune system even more. In addition, the whole lemon also contains a vitamin unknown to many, vitamin P, which is a complex of 6,000 compounds known as flavonoids. Flavonoids protect our bodies from fungi, parasites, and bacteria. They also help the health of bones and teeth, remove or prevent inflammation, and boost collagen production. As you know, collagen is necessary to function our blood vessels, muscles, and skin properly. In recent years, lemon has gained popularity, especially among those interested in better health. Nowadays, many people are looking for a simple way to reap lemon's many benefits. It has become a popular choice among dietitians because it can offset the taste of plain water. Furthermore, lemon water can provide fewer calories than sugary drinks such as soda or commercial fruit juices. Lemon and its juice are essential for good health, clear skin, a slim body, and preventing diseases. Also, lemon helps in weight loss and to lower cholesterol, reduces kidney stones and fat in the liver, has an anti-aging and anti-cancer action, and supports heart health. Lemon water is vital for a healthy organism and body. However, we should avoid the mistakes I mentioned above to benefit from its remarkable beneficial properties and multiple benefits. Please remember that although lemon water is healthy and great for improving health, ask your doctor before drinking it regularly. Be careful, especially if you take medication or have any health problems. Did you know about these 5 critical mistakes you might make when drinking lemon water in the morning? Have you made any of these mistakes? If you found this video informative and enjoyed exploring the world of herbs and foods, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. Also, if you want to discover the powerful oregano benefits and the best tips on how to make oregano tea, in the best way to reap the full range of oregano's benefits, watch this video here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you to be always well and have a beautiful day and new week.